Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to explain you about passing method as a parameter. So in my previous videos, I have explained you about the delegates, how delegates work, what are the uses of the delegates. So in this video, we'll see how we can pass a method as a parameter to another method. So let's go to our topic. We have seen that delegates are types like classes and interfaces. Delegates are also like function pointers of C++. Function pointers are nothing but it holds the reference of or address of the method. It is used for calling the method which is having the same signature as that of the delegate declared. And method by using delegates, method can be sent as a parameter. We'll see how we can pass the method as a parameter to another method. We have seen in our coding examples that we can pass the parameters like integer and strings to the method, but we have not seen how we'll pass the method as a parameter. So we'll see. So you can see that in the Visual Studio here, I have one project. Name of the project is delegates in C Sharp. So in this project, I'm having one class. Name of the class is program.cs. So in this program.cs class, I have created many methods. So out of which one method is get full name. So we have seen that for calling the get full name method, we create for the object of the class because it is an instance method. So for calling the instance method, we need the instance and then we use the dot and after that the method name. So in this method, you can see that I'm passing two string variables because this method requires two string parameters. So here I'm passing John and Sina as a first name and last name. And this method is returning the full name and I'm storing here into the full name and I'm printing the full name on the console. So similarly, you can see that here in the get full name, the parameter is having the type, means which type of parameter this method will take. Like here you can see that it is having string and two parameters of type string. So similarly, for passing the method to another method as a parameter, we need to specify the data type, the type of the method. So that type here string has been used for the parameter of type string, but for the method we need to use the delegate because the type of the method will be a delegate. So I will show you how this works. Here I have one class. Name of the class is passing method delegate.cs. So in this class I am having here one method call me method. I have created one method. You can see here it is returning void, means it does not return any value. And the name of the method is call me method. And you can see that here it's having a parameter of type call me delegate. So here I have created first call me delegate. So this delegate is used for calling a method which does not have any parameter and which does not return any value. So you can see here void is the return type and it does not have any parameter inside it. So this method is having one parameter of type call me delegate and this parameter will be a method like we are having string parameter. So this parameter will be a method of type call me delegate. So delegates can be used as a type of the method in another method which receives method as a parameter. So this is the use of the delegate. Now in the program.cs here I will show you how I am calling from program class the another method. So I have written this. So this PM is object of type passing method delegate. So in this passing method delegate, as I have shown you here, it is having one call me method which takes a parameter of type call me delegate, and this parameter is nothing but a method. So here I am creating PM as an object of passing method delegate class, and by using this PM object, I am calling call me method and I am passing one method to this method. To call me method, I am passing a method because it requires a parameter of type the delegate which I have shown you here, call me delegate, and this delegate is used for calling the method which does not return any value and which does not have any parameter. So here you can see that this method program call me, here I have created one method program call me I have created in the program class, and it does not take any parameter, and it's having void return type, means it does not return any value. So this method can be sent to the delegate who's having the same signature as that of the method. Here you can see the delegate is having same signature as that of the method. It does not have any parameter and it returns void, means does not return any value. So I can pass this program call me method of program class to the call me method of passing method delegate class. So by using this object, I am calling this method and I am passing the method as a parameter p dot program call me. So P class, this call me method will call this method here. You can see that first full name is John Cena is executed. The method which takes the first name and last name as a string and concatenate and return the full name. After that, program call me method called. So this string is printed because we have passed our method to another class method call me method, and that call me method executed the passed method to it. So program call me method called. Today we have covered passing the method as a parameter and how delegates are used for passing the method as a parameter to another method. In our next topic, I will cover creating custom event handler using delegates. And the other thing is that I have added the playlist link in the description of the video, and also on the screen you can see the playlist link, and you can go to my playlist link and you can watch another C# related videos. So today I want to say that thank you, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.